scratching post. When they get older, are you gonna buy a cat tower?
Yeah, I can get a cat tower.
When they're older.
No, we need it now. So they get used to it. I don't want them destroying anything. I'm gonna get their
Cats sort of do confuse me.
claws clipped every couple weeks.
Because they grow back.
Mm-hmm.
Like rams.
Whoa.
Have you seen rams?
They like it.
They get a hot metal thing and they slice it through. Like it melts through.
They like this toy.
Starting off little, but then
Yours
going
is like a savage. Look at that thing.
Junior's is hungry.
Oh my god, it's... Whoa, it's all the way... Jeez.
Junior's cat's eating it.
Look at yours. You just...
They're fighting over one part.
Yours always attacks the other... Look at him. It's attacking the other one.
It likes chewing on its tail.
That's why I call him Lecter. He's like Hannibal Lecter. Crazy. Hey, P.
I don't know why, but they used to call Thomas Psycho Midget from what's it called? From Borderlands. He was fine with it. He actually liked it.
Kitty.
It's